I love and I'm passionate about bacon. Bacon is not just something you eat, it's an experience.
From the smell, the taste, the sensorial experience, and then that melt in your mouth, texture and finish, it all kind of comes together. It's America's meat.
What do you mean, what's the best part about bacon? It's always eating the bacon.
It elevates every single dish.
We used to call it the duct tape of the kitchen because it literally fixes everything and makes everything taste better. You think about Black Label, Dan was the man. He's just a visionary. He has always pushed us and got us to think differently.
Dan is the heartbeat behind this project. He knew that we could do bacon better on behalf of our consumers. It's been a passion of his, so let's figure out how to do bacon better, and this is the way to do it.
Welcome, I'm glad you guys could come here today. This idea was trying to make bacon easier for the final consumer. So all of us love to eat bacon, but it is really kind of difficult sometimes to prepare it, and then the cleanup obviously is such a hassle. When I was walking through a grocery store one night with my wife, and as I'm going through, I'm seeing different prepared meals, and some of these things had trays, and I was like, you know, if we're gonna put something in a tray, we ought to be putting bacon in it. And oven fried bacon is really the best bacon. And that's kind of where my original thought process came from. When we can cook bacon in the oven, we cook it slower, and with this pan, it actually cooks within that own grease. And so it actually maintains its flavor and maintains that quality texture that we want when we have that bite. This is going to turn into perfectly cooked bacon every single time. You don't have to be an expert anymore. The tray will do that for you.
In the oven, you get a very uniform cook. You get strips that lay flat and are all the same size. You don't have all the grease. You don't have all the mess. So it's just really the best overall eating experience.
So you never touch it. The first time you're going to touch this bacon is actually when you eat it.
Removes all the top consumer pain points. We know consumers hate to touch raw bacon. They don't want to babysit the frying pan, and they definitely don't want to clean up the grease at the end of the day.
Breakthrough innovation, it takes time, it takes disruptive thinking, and it takes a lot of pieces of the puzzle to come together.
Dan is one of a kind. Not only did he submit the idea, he has been involved in every single minute detail. He has lost sleep over this. He's had dreams over this.
With Dan, we got a team to rally behind it and support it, and started figuring out how we were gonna get this thing to market. So we've had a lot of people across lots of different functions that have helped us get oven ready to the finish line. If we didn't have Dan behind this, I don't think it would have been to the point where we could launch right now. His passion behind it has really pushed us forward.
We are ready to launch the new oven ready bacon. You know, I've been doing this a long time, and I never envisioned that I would actually create a product and have it on the store shelves. And not only on the store shelves, but a first of its kind.
The pride he looks on this product with, like it is part of his family. Seeing it come to life from his perspective has been really cool to witness.
His wife stopped me, and she was like, I'm just so happy that he's able to see this come to fruition, and the way in which it's going to market is a solution that truly will be a home run with our consumers.
The ability to see it on a store shelf, you know, I don't think I can actually explain how that's going to feel. It's going to be a really, really good feeling, I'm sure. Just crazy. Well, this is a great day.